Hello my dears, now come to discuss the inline radio buttons and checkbox. So this is a break line. We have one checkbox, second checkbox and disable checkbox showing inline. Similarly we have radio button 1, 2 and disable in another line. So this property is called inline. So by default it is a block level element. So whenever we create some buttons, radio buttons and check boxes, so it shows in the block, but we can make it inline. So how? So let's see the code. So here is a break. So this one is for the inline check. So which class? So inside it we have three divs. Div 1 can include the one input, one checkbox, div 2 include another, and div 3 include the third checkbox, and all belong to the same class. Which class? Form check inline. So form check inline. So you must have to write include this class, and for input which class? Form check input, form check label, and the type is checkbox, and the ID is inline checkbox 1. So you can put any ID here which is a unique identifier, it's up to you. So and this label is for this. So whenever you click the label, okay, so whenever you click this one, it is selected. It's 2, so we click label and these are selected. So this property is called this is happen using only for. Okay, so you just have to write this inline. So all of the means this will be shown inline. So this will be shown in previous checkbox line. Similarly, for radio buttons, we also take this so here we have type radio instead of checkbox, and we have taken the same class form check inline. Okay, and form check input, but name here is we must have to include name. No need to include name in checkbox, but here name is necessary. Why? Because all of these radio buttons should belong to same group, because these can be independent of each other. These can be independent, okay, but these cannot be independent. So if one is selected, another one disabled. So this means these belong to same group name, which here is a inline radio option. ID is inline radio 1, and this label is for this, and value is option 1. Okay, so we remove it. If we remove it, this value still it will work. Okay, but laterally we cannot apply the programming until and unless we have some value. Okay, so this one is disabled. We wrote disable. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much.